Hi, in front of me is REALME C3 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this device. Start by opening Play Store. Now type iOS Launcher, Surface click, and download this app from this developer. Then open it. Click Allow. And normally you can click on Home button over here and select iOS Launcher. But in this device it seems to not be working, so I will go into Settings, scroll down and set it up manually by clicking on App Management, then Default App, choosing Home App and tapping on iOS Launcher over here. Then click Got it. As you can see, iOS Launcher was applied successfully on this device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!